National Weather Service in Lake Charles has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northwestern Tyler County in southeastern Texas, northwestern Jasper County in southeastern Texas, until 9:45 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 8:40 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near Chester, moving east at 20 miles per hour. Hazard, ping-pong ball-size hail and 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, people and animals outdoors will be injured. Expect hail damage to roofs, siding, windows, and vehicles. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Mesnil, Chester, and Rockland. Prepare immediately for large hail and damaging winds. People outside should move immediately to shelter inside a strong building. Stay away from windows. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 9:45 p.m. Central Daylight Time for the following counties in Texas: Jasper